Over the past few weeks, I've been focusing on my back catalogue of photography from travel to Lisbon and Rome at the start of the year. I draw freehand, so quick sketches help to train your eye in how right angles and acute geometric perspectives of a built environment line up with the edges of a page before starting on a final piece. Drawing from photos can be overwhelming with the amount of detail, so I often squint my eyes to pick up the key shapes and edit the image down as if drawing from life. Hope everyone is keeping well and staying safe.